Okay, this is a video showing off how to disassemble the OWK if you ever want to change sound fonts or access the SD card. You start by unscrewing the pommel down here, set that aside, and then holding this section here in the middle with your thumb, unscrew the middle section, set that aside. And now here, you want to just slightly loosen it, and then make sure you hold on to this. The chassis cannot move, or else you're gonna mess up some cables in here. So you just hold the chassis and spin. Once it's loose enough, you can just slide it down a little bit, and this will reveal the connector here. Now here, you simply just hold from each end and pull it. And now you can set this aside, and here just slide this down and slide the whole chassis out. This will reveal the Prism 5.1, the SD card, and the battery. Alright, now to reassemble it, simple enough, just the opposite. Slide it back in, connect the pins, and everything back in order.